other industry and consumers applications, we can help you make the packaging.
Yes.
And at Rinpac, we are committed to offer our client with the best quality product, attractive design, and timely delivery of products. And all of our products are manufactured at our highly and advanced manufacturing unit, both of high-end machine, tool, and type of equipment. It is hard to know who you can trust with your business, so you can join in our live stream to see more details and more infos of our company. We know this, and we will always try to help you with our hot and leading edge craftsmanship. And our factory has passed ISO certificate, food grade, and local test reports, such as some clients will invite SGS to test our factory to see whether our environment of production and product is qualified. And our goal is to provide consumers quality and affordable comprehensive packaging solution for producers of consumer products goods.